Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to create parcel using freeform create tool in Civil 3D. Do you know a site plan is more than just single family lots? Areas are usually detected for open spaces, stormwater management facilities, parks and public utility lots. The freeform create tool can be useful when you are creating these type of parcels. This tool, like the precise sizing tools, create an attached parcel segment with the special diamond shaped grips. So in this exercise we will use the freeform create tool to create a new parcel. You can open this drawing from the description link 507 and note that this drawing contains a series of subdivision lots. So zoom to property 18 here and now use the AutoCAD erase command to delete the parcel line. We need to delete this line and this line. For now we are deleting some lines. Why we delete these lines? Because the order in which the parcel segment are erased will determine the parcel's number. So your parcel number may vary from those created my parcel numbers here. So it's depend on your drawing, but if you will use my drawing, this is my given drawing, then your number should be same as it is. The parcel read just, but the resulting lot is now much larger than needed. So let's add a line using the freeform create tool. From the home tab here, create design panel, select parcel and then parcel creation tools. On the parcel layout toolbars, you can select the freeform create tool here. The create parcel layout dialog box appear. Now select subdivision lot as a site and parcel style should be property. Then area label style, you can select name, square meter and hectares. Keep the default values for the remaining option and then click OK to dismiss the dialog box. Now slide the freeform create line from create attachment point along the frontage of the property 18 area. At the select attachment point prompt, pick near the point somewhere here and at the specify lot line direction prompt just press enter to specify a perpendicular lot line direction. Okay, a new parcel segment is created perpendicular to the right of a parcel segment. So your resulting lot number may differ. Note that a new lot parcel has formed. Although most parcel lines are created perpendicular to the right of way line, please note that you can use the freeform create tool to attach a new parcel segment to any parcel segment in this drawing. Just press enter to exit the freeform create command and then click press escape to exit the parcel layout tools bar. Now pick the new parcel segment so that you see it's diamond shaped here and grab the grip and slide the segment along the right of way parcel segment like this. Notice that when you place the parcel segment a new location, the segment endpoint snaps back to the rear parcel segment. This is typically behavior for an attached parcel segment. So this is how we can create freeform create tool to use to create our new parcel in Civil